Have you ever thought about starting your own vegetable garden? Imagine the freshness and health benefits of homegrown vegetables, not to mention the satisfaction of cultivating your own food. In the next few minutes, learn how to plant and nurture your very own vegetable garden. The first step in starting a vegetable garden is choosing the right location. Sunlight and space are key. Most veggies need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day and plenty of room to flourish. Access to water is also crucial. Selecting a suitable location is the first step towards a thriving vegetable garden. Next, prepare the soil for the vegetable garden. The quality of your soil is paramount. Vegetables thrive in well-drained soil, enriched with compost and organic matter. This foundation is vital for a successful harvest. Remember, proper soil preparation can make or break your vegetable garden. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Generally, seeds should be planted about 3 times as deep as their width and spaced evenly apart. Don't forget to water them gently after planting. With the seeds planted, you're one step closer to a bountiful vegetable garden. After planting, the next step is caring for your vegetable garden. Watering is key, but remember not to drown your plants. Keep the soil moist, not soaked. Regular weeding is also vital, as weeds compete with your plants for nutrients. And let's not forget about pest control. Use natural methods whenever possible to keep those pesky bugs at bay. Consistency is crucial in all these steps. With consistent care, your vegetable garden will thrive and produce an abundance of fresh, healthy vegetables. Starting a vegetable garden is a rewarding and enjoyable endeavor. We've walked through the steps together, choosing the perfect location, preparing the soil, planting the seeds, and caring for your growing garden. Now it's your turn. Embrace this chance to cultivate your own fresh, healthy vegetables right in your backyard. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and watch your hard work flourish into a thriving garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!